put our mind to do, guess what? And we need to stop putting it to such low-level stuff and put it to some high stuff. So I tell you, think a new thought, dream a bigger dream. The other thing, when you walk out of here today, come forth with some new idea of how long you expect to live. Has everybody thought of that?
Until Jesus comes.
That's what Mildred said. How long you want to live? You should have some idea of how long you should live, and it should be in excess of 125 minimal. There are turtles that are living to be 175. Did you all know that? There are trees on this planet that are 15,000 years old, so you need to be thinking a little higher. But we're thinking low, so we're like little groveling at the ground, and we have all of this out here. So think about that. Get you some plan. Mine is 365, so you think big.
Right. Well, my great-grandmother lived to be 110, and everybody said we was going to top her.
Double it. Double it. Anything. Mostly I'm talking about the violence, the murder. People scared to go out of their house. We have to really do something about that. As we make people healthier, people no longer have to fight over food. That's why we're talking about this plant-based diet. We can grow food in our yards. We can grow food on our roofs. We can grow food in our houses. But we can't keep animals in there. You see what I'm saying? The plant. What we're feeding animals is way more than it would take to feed the people. So that's why we're having this, and we're going to have more. I wish I could have every week, I call it movies worthwhile. There are a lot of good stuff out here. Yes. It really is. And most of the time we see trash. Yes. But movies worthwhile, things that have really powerful. I saw something the other week about butterflies. Did anybody see that, the monarch butterfly? The monarch butterfly is able to fly in stages. It's born, when it's born in Mexico, it can fly up to Texas. A butterfly, you know how little bird, and then when it gets to Texas, it mates and then it dies. Then the next generation flies up to maybe like Iowa, and then they mate and then they die. Then the next generation flies all the way up to Canada. They mate, but they don't die. No, the third generation dies, I'm sorry. Then that one, the fourth generation is born. That one doesn't die, and it doesn't mate. It flies all the way back to where? Mexico. That's some 2,000-mile trip. And then when it gets to Mexico, it doesn't mate right away. It rests. You see, along the and they fly along. You know how big that butterfly is?
Yeah.
And then after that, it rests. And then it mates and it dies. And then the next generation, the first generation, the second generation, the third generation does it in stages, but the fourth generation can make the whole journey back. So what is it? I mean, I'm thinking, do we have this ability? We used to have a lady who worked here named Ann. She always said that most of us are 3 to 4 generations, when you think about 40 years, 3 to 4 generations out of slavery. But we're now 4 generations. She says when we get 4, 5 generations out of slavery, our people are going to accomplish something super wonderful. I see we got a president, so let's see what else we can get.
Right.
But she used to always, how many people know Ann?
I
She's fine, but Ann used to always say that, really, just wait till the 4th and the 5th generation, our people are going to achieve something. And when I saw that butterfly film, if you see that, we got to see that. That is awesome. A little bitty old butterfly can fly 2,000 miles. How far can we fly?
Okay.
You see what I'm saying? And when I used to teach insects in 4th grade, the thing that always amazed me about teaching 4th grade was the highest level of every species could fly. Of every group, like the highest insects could do what? Fly. The highest birds could do what? Fly. The lowest ones, and I can think, can the highest people? Something. But anyway, move or something. That always amazed me. I always thought about that, and that's off the subject. But anyway, we're going to strengthen these body systems. So if you have not used Nature Sunshine products, I invite you to try them. You can give us a call. You can try them. And if you're looking for extra income, consider Nature Sunshine, because it's money that you can make. Everybody now, if we're going to get ahead, we need to have some kind of way that we can make extra money. A lot of what we thought we would have, Social Security pension, is what? It's evaporating. So our people who come here from other countries tell us that the best way is to have some kind of home-based, some kind of business that you're in yourself. That's what we have to do. That's what we have to do. We need to do it so that we can turn the money over and over and over with each other. And Nature Sunshine offers that, so that's what we're going to do.
And what number can you be reached at?
We can be reached at area code 773-994-6323 at the
Again,
Stream of Life.
again,
773-994-6323. So we have lots that we can do, and I'm looking forward to us, next time we do this, we'll have 50 times as many people maybe.
Berlina, thank you so much for
Thank you for
a
coming.
wonderful presentation. I enjoyed the food, I enjoyed the film,
Yeah,
and look forward to getting that test one
yes,
done.
I'm sorry, I'll find out why it isn't working, and then we'll do it another
I should
day.
be seeing you probably probably next week or week after, because I'm going through a fast now, my annual cleanup after the
Okay.
holidays.
Okay, that's it,
So
that we
I
should be
can
doing
watch
that.
now. So I should be